If you're looking to streamline all your HR tasks and manage them from one login, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do all your HR tasks from one place, saving you time and reducing headaches. Stick around because I'll also give you exclusive access to a free trial of the software we'll be using today. Managing HR tasks from multiple platforms can be a real pain. Whether it's payroll, employee benefits, or recruitment, jumping between different systems wastes your time and leads to errors. But what if I told you that there's software that brings all these tasks into one centralized dashboard? No more switching tabs or logging in and out of different systems. The software we'll be using today is designed to help you manage everything from payroll, benefits administration, recruiting, and performance tracking, all from one login. You can easily process payroll, manage employee information, and even track performance reviews without having to go through multiple platforms. Everything's in one place, which is a total game changer for small businesses and HR teams looking to simplify their processes. To get started, all you need to do is log in to the software. You'll be greeted with a clean, easy to navigate dashboard that has everything you need front and center. From here, you can manage payroll by inputting hours, reviewing tax deductions, and running reports, all with just a few clicks. The best part? You can do it from anywhere, anytime, whether you're in the office or working remotely. Next, let's talk about benefits. Instead of juggling multiple portals for health insurance, retirement plans, or employee perks, you can manage all of that through this software as well. You can set up benefits, track enrollments, and even make changes on the fly, all with a few clicks. For recruiting, the software offers integrated applicant tracking. You can post job openings, review resumes, schedule interviews, and onboard new employees without leaving the platform. If you're handling hiring for multiple roles, you'll appreciate how streamlined it makes the process. And when it comes to performance tracking, you can set goals, conduct reviews, and track progress, all in one spot. Whether it's a monthly performance check or an annual review, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now I know what you're thinking. Does this software really live up to the hype? I've tried the most popular HR management software, and this one stands out. It's simple, intuitive, and designed to keep all your HR tasks in one place, saving you time and effort. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try this software yourself. You can find the link in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: managing all your HR tasks from one login is totally possible, and it's much easier than you think. The software I showed you today will help you save time and reduce errors, allowing you to focus on what really matters: your team. To recap, here's what you can do all in one login: manage payroll, handle benefits, recruit new talent, and track employee performance. If you haven't already, I recommend taking advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching,